The government put forth a spirited defense of the move by Parliament to withdraw Kenya from the Rome Statute. Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai says he will write to the International Criminal Court to demonstrate that Kenya is at liberty to adopt and revoke international treaties. But as Sam Ogina reports, even the AG admits that the withdrawal bid will not have any effect on the ongoing cases.
The state has punched holes on the prosecution's assertion that Kenyan Parliament's decision is compromising the state of its witnesses. The country's chief legal advisor says he will petition the court to restate Kenya's position on abiding and revocation of treaties.
If this issue becomes an issue that creates some concern, we are going to file documents with the court explaining the constitutional law of Kenya and the law governing the making and unmaking of treaties.
The office of the prosecutor contends that the upshot of Parliament's decision is apprehension among witnesses to testify in the Kenyan cases. Consequently, the prosecutor wants private sessions for its witnesses following exposure of its first witness identity.
This forms part of a larger culture of intimidation which is being fostered not only by certain quarters of Kenyan society, but also now it seems has reached the highest echelons of Kenyan authorities.
And it will then become clear to the court that these resolutions by the House have nothing to do with the immediate settlement of the cases before the court.
In a swift rejoinder, Senate Majority Leader Kithure Kindiki blasted the prosecution for dragging Kenya's parliamentary decisions to the court. The Majority Leader accusing the prosecution of incompetence in undertaking its investigations.
We are doing our work as politicians. And that's why we say let everybody do their job. The judges are also doing their job. The prosecutor is also doing their job, although we are saying recklessly.
Kenya says despite contestation on Parliament's decision to withdraw from the Rome Statute at the ICC, the country's political class embarks on an offensive to stir a continental drift of African nations to sever ties with the ICC.
For now, the biggest arsenal we have as a state party is to pull out and convince as many other countries that are of like mind to pull out also. And that's international politics. It has nothing to do with respect to the rule of law. You cannot compel to join a treaty or to remain there for better or for worse. It's not a marriage. It's a treaty.
ICC judges are deliberating on the effects on witnesses of the parliamentary resolution to pull out of the Rome Statute. Nonetheless, there is no time frame for them to hand in their verdict. Sam Ogina, KTN.